Here's an interesting app called Eato AI Calorie Counter. So here you can just install it. So this app is getting more traction. Recently, it's a streamlined app for managing weight health through calorie tracking and meal planning, keeping you on the path to wellness. Eato takes you on a new path of weight loss and improves your body health with scientific and effective methods. Lose weight planner, select your plan, set your goals, and track your progress. Calorie counter, get customized daily calorie intake recommendations based on your body's needs and weight loss ambitions. Weight tracker, step counter. So yeah, the core feature of this app is that you just take a photo of your food, and then it automatically calculates estimate number of calories in that food of using AI. So yeah, as similar, there are some apps like plant identifier apps where you just scan the plant and the app tells you what plant is that, or like Vivino app where you just scan it and see the type of wine. So this is similar like that, just for food. Um, and then here you just need to start onboarding, and onboarding process is quite long in these apps. Yep, that's just what you have. Um, um, so then what you can see is like you can set up your target. And then you just see all of these things. I'm just want to see if this app has some kind of free trial or something. And then so anyhow, you just have this, and then usually when you start eating, so basically like you just finish all of these questions. AI recognition is faster, obviously. So then you just I'm just testing answering these questions. So then it just creates your program, and let's see what would be the price for that. So it's like a long onboarding. And then there is a 7-day free trial. So there is no payment now. Like there is 1 month, $20 per month. 12 months is $80, and then obviously they will give you some kind of discount, which is like $40 per year, or 3 months, $30 per 3 months. But then you don't have free trial anymore. You only have like this plan. So you decide whether you want it or not. And then basically you have this, let's see if, yeah, at least, yeah. Then there is another deal. And then at least you can try it out just with the, with just basic free version. And then you just see your calorie intake, and then you can just tap log and then use AI identify or scan the barcode and then just add this, log this meal. So this like the core feature of the app, that you just tap log, take a picture of your breakfast, it automatically identifies it, and then you will just have this. And then you have meal plan. So yep, that's basically the idea. And then you have recipes, different types of recipes, and then your profile. So yep, that's just what you have here. That's the idea. And then if you want, you can delete your account. But again, the core feature here is that you could just go in here and tab log and take a picture, and this app automatically logs calories for you using AI. Eventually, seems you will need to upgrade to fully use this app, but at the moment, that's what it is.